Hey guys, good morning. It's Migs from Market Open. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit today about a trade I took earlier. I actually ended up missing the initial entry, and then it ended up setting up for me again. So DXCM here got some bad news, I believe, this morning, and it was probably it was my main candidate for a short. So as you can see here, at 7 o'clock this morning when the pre-market started opening up, it was just it shot straight down basically. I looked up the news on it real fast. Let's see, large cap stock. Uh, where was it? FDA had approved a device that can monitor blood sugar without finger pricks. So obviously that's the business that they're in. Huge blow to this company. So it started selling off this morning, and right at the bell, I usually look for a stock to pull up a little bit. So let me get some of this. Let me get rid of this post or pre-market data here. All right. So what I'm looking for is for a pull up and some sort of fail, either shorts to be able to get out, or maybe some done money to try to get in and then fail, and then they all turn into sellers. So it basically just flushed right out at the beginning. It pulled up a little bit, but not enough. So we're still looking for something to base our risk off of. So right here, this probably should have been my first entry, but I was probably looking at another stock. So it shot down, it came up, it pulled up right below VWAP, and I could have shorted it right here at the whole number right at 45. I would have had about an 80-cent stop, and since we do a 1-to-1 risk to reward, and then we sell 3/4 and then just let the rest ride, probably would have sold off the rest somewhere around 44.20, and then it came all the way down to around 43.50 or so. But unfortunately, I missed that trade as well too. So I kept watching it, and I noticed that it pulled up right to VWAP, right around here. Just it could not get past it. If I'll do some other video later on VWAP rejection and the reason why this happens. But I noticed that it just could not get up. So I was looking for a full reversal. So right here at this whole number, I was looking to get short with about $1 stop. So I bought, I think it was 200 shares short at 44 with the $1 stop. So I got short at 43.99, right about, actually I think it was probably within this candle right here. It kind of bounced around for a while, kept making lower highs. I held this position for a while, as you can see. It started bouncing right around here at the 43 area. So I covered 3/4 of the position, and I noticed that this 43 was holding. I got out. I think the rest of it is probably somewhere around here, 43.20, 43.30. It flushed down. Actually, this is when I got flushed out of it right here, 43.20. So I ended up making, let's see here, $280 on it. But really, what most importantly is the reason why I made this video is to tell you guys to not. I know this is kind of right here. This is where fear of missing out kind of kicks in, where you want to be able to get in the party, you want to be able to short it, but you really don't know how high this thing can bounce and how fast this thing can move, and you have nothing to base your risk off of. So if it just starts flushing, sometimes you can hop in it and then just get lucky and hopes it flushes down. But 7 out of 10 times you're probably gonna lose that, and then you also don't have anything to base your risk off of. So the first entry should have been here. Could have done that. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. But I was not paying attention, obviously. The next entry was here at the VWAP rejection. So I got short at the whole number. So it's very important that you have to wait. If you're going to short something, look for a pullback. This right here being the pullback. So it got rejected at VWAP. So if it goes over that, obviously I was wrong and I got to take my loss. But I waited for the pull up, shorted at the whole number, and just ride it down. I get a lot of questions too. of why you use whole numbers. There should be a lot of support at whole numbers, but if it fails, that's when you can short it. I'll probably do some other video sometime here in the near future about VWAP projection and why stocks get rejected at the volume weighted average price. But hopefully this helps. If you guys do have any questions, write in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the trading room.